Congratulations. You've made it. You've survived. You're on lesson 46. Talking all about rates. What is a rate? A rate is a ratio of two numbers. Ratio, of course, is just a comparison of two numbers, right? And so we can use that idea to help us understand this. Now, rates is not a new idea, but we want to work with this initial so we can continue to build on this so we can learn how to understand how rates are converted. But let's not talk about conversion of rates today. That's not the lesson. Today we just want to understand what a rate is. So Arnold drove 390 miles in 6 hours. What was his average rate of speed? Right? Very often we have this idea, per, right? Miles per hour, miles per gallon, right? Or you could think about the amount of money that someone might make, right? You have a certain amount of salary per hours worked, right? And so we have this idea that we're going to work with. Let's get started, right? So if we're going 390 miles, right? Speed, of course, is miles per hour. So miles divided by hours, right? So what's 390 divided by 6? If you didn't solve it in your head, all right, let's do it over here. 3 goes into 39 6 times. That's a 36. 6 times 6, 36. Gives us a 30. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So 65 miles per hour. Right? So we get that nice abbreviation instead of having to write MI per HRS. Miles per hour. Right? Oops. I forgot your sample problem. All right. Okay, with the information that you just gained about 65 miles per hour, how many miles per gallon did his car use if he used 15 gallons of gas? All right, so use this idea together with this idea to solve this problem. Miles per gallon. All right, hopefully you took those miles and you divided by those gallons and you got a nice number. Let's talk about Gina though. Gina wants to know how much she will earn working 40 hours at $16 an hour. How much will she earn? So this one's a little bit different. This one actually gives us the rate. She makes $16 every hour. Right? So $16 in 1 hour. We want to know how much money she's going to make if she works a total of 40 hours. So we're going to multiply by 40 hours. And what we see here is when we multiply, right, because this is a division bar, right, our labels cancel out. And so the hours are gone now. So now you have 16 times 40. Right, I'm going to take 4 times 6 and then add a 0. So 0, 4 times 6 now is a 4, a 2, a 6. $640. That would be a nice little chunk of change to play around with. All right, $640. That's how we understand what she's doing as we're working with this, right? So that's another way to work with rates. All right, here's another kind of new, it's not really a new idea, but a new little equation you can throw in the back of your mind. Very, very useful one. You're going to use it probably more than you like to eventually in science class when you get to high school. But if you learn it now, you'll be a pro at it. So as Felipe is planning a bike tour of the state with some friends, he estimates that they can ride 7 hours each day and average 12 miles per hour. How far does Felipe estimate the ride? The can ride each day? Oh man, typo. They can ride each day. Oh man, how embarrassing. All right, let's see if I can at least do my math right. First of all, we have this new formula. It's called distance equals rate times time. All right. So Felipe wants to know how far they can ride each day. So he wants to know the distance. Right? So let's go back to our problem and see if we can find our rate and find our time. All right. All right, second sentence, he's estimating that they can ride 7 hours. Okay, so that looks like a time. All right, so let's throw that in there, 7 hours. So we're going to multiply by a rate. So let's throw that bar. We're going to use a rate. All right, here's our rate, miles per hour. So 12 miles in 1 hour. Okay, and we set our problem up that way because that's going to get rid of our hours as a label, and we're going to be able to take 12 times 7 and come away with a fairly nice answer. And it looks like 84 is what my mental math does. Does your mental math get you the same answer? I hope so. That would make me feel good and make you feel good too. Right? So we use this new formula, distance, rate, times time. This is a formula you will be asked to use from now on. So a good one to commit to memory or throw in your notes to make sure you have that for if and when it pops up again. All right. Time for you to do some work. Sample problem. Shelly driving 180 miles near Fort Worth to Austin. I'll let you read the rest. This is lesson 46.